Brakes, hit the brakes. No, it's not a debit, you idiot. I swear if my name ain't Kyle. Yeah! Tornado came up in my helmet. Die. I'm sweating in my helmet. It's so gross, but I like it. I'm leaving work on a Friday, so it's the weekend now. But wow, whew, I stayed late. I worked extra hard. I am hot and tired. And there's some fire trucks and ambulances over at that old nursing home or whatever that is. So I guess somebody died. So happy weekend to them. That was kind of morbid, but oh well. So yeah, I didn't record on the way to work, and I should have, because a bunch of weird stuff happened. And even like I drove by a fire. Like I couldn't see the fire, but I saw the black smoke, and I was like, I should turn my camera on. But I'm going like 75 down the road, so I'm like, nah. Speaking of, I am gonna get on the interstate, so I'm probably not gonna talk through that, because you wouldn't be able to hear me anyway, because it's gonna sound like. So yeah, I'm just not gonna do that. Oh my God, it's so hot! Oh, it's hot. But had a long hot day, and tomorrow I'm gonna get up real early and do some more work in the sun. So yeah, let's get this going. How have you guys been? You doing good? You doing swell? You doing awesome? Let's go. Let's hear your comments. How are you doing? If you don't answer me, I'm gonna follow you home and punch a hole in your drywall. I swear if my name ain't Kyle. Wot N Tarnation. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna put up a picture on the screen if I remember, but we had to jack up this whole big 8,000-pound trailer thing, and it wasn't high enough on its own to like reach the truck we were trying to attach it to, so we like ghetto did this whole setup thing. I'll just put up a picture on the screen because it's stupid, it's crazy, it's weird. Anyway, it's really windy now, so I'm gonna go, and I'll see you guys when I get to my exit. Do you want to go, fam? It's not a cop. Stop braking. I'll break your legs. Full tuck. Full tuck. Full tuck. Extra 5 horsepower. Woo. Haha, suck it, traffic. Yeah, what's up? Man, it is so windy up in here. Feel like a darn old tornado came up in my helmet and stole my wallet. I tell you what, dang old Georgia weather, dang old 15% chance of rain, dang old windstorm more like it. I tell you what, the gas pedal is the pedal on the right. Hit it, or I'll hit you. How did you even get there? Where did you come from? What in tarnation is going on? To hit the gas pedal or I'ma kill you. Oh God. That's not the gas pedal, that's the brake pedal. What's going on? God, I'm gonna come to your house and live stream me killing your fish. Gonna publicly execute your fish. Every one of the fish in that fish tank executed. What in tarnation? Uh-oh, there's a cop up there. Everyone's gonna hit their brakes because we're afraid. Can't get too close to the speed limit. Oh yeah, look at that, brakes. Everyone hit your brakes. Yep, more brakes. Brake lights. Yep, brake, yeah, be sure to brake. He didn't already see you or anything. That kid was just staring at me. I think it's a kid. I don't know if it's a girl. I think it's just a dude with long hair. Yo, there's a Great Clips right up the road, dog. Someone should let that dude know. Yo, for any of you who made it this far into the video and are still watching, be sure to smash that like button, and if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, fam! I'm doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers and I'm almost there, so you better hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and be a part of my Instagram! Go follow my Instagram so you can see what I'm doing that! If you're not, then what are you doing with your life? I'm gonna come to your house on Christmas and cut down your Christmas tree if you are not following my Instagram. That's not a threat, it's a vague promise. Oh my God, get back in there. What are you doing? I put you in there. Stay in there. Stop it. Yeah, careful up there, Sandra. We wouldn't want you wasting too much gas on this uphill part. Don't get too close to the speed limit now. It's dangerous. You might hurt your freaking kids. Careful, Sandra. Here comes the downhill part. It can get real fast, real quick. You better watch yourself. You better hit that brake pedal. I think I'm gonna lose my voice, but that's okay. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's right, you better turn. Uh-oh, my gas light came on. You know what that means? Nothing at all, because I'm gonna ignore it for a while. Actually, I'll get gas on my way home, because why not? I have to take the bike out early in the morning, and one, I don't know if the gas station is open, and two, you need to turn! And two, I don't want to go leave even earlier just to go get gas, so I guess I'll go ahead and do that. Shh, it's okay. It's okay, darling. I'll be with you soon. Gaslight, it's okay. Shh, Daddy's got you. Should I do a full tuck on this here mountain hill? Oh, stick! Well, this is dangerous and windy, mostly windy. Yo, I'm gonna need some square burgers up in here with how windy it is. That was such a bad pun. I gotta go get some gas. Do I put premium in this thing? I don't even remember. I keep seeing different videos of people putting different gas in here, but the little sticker that comes like right here when you buy it says to put premium in it. And it's like, always follow manufacturer's recommendations. And like, it only takes a few gallons. So I think I was gonna put premium in it. Someone hit me up in the comments of like, hey dude, putting premium in there lowers your horsepower and home equity by at least 12%. And then like, you know, I'll probably fix it. I mean, not really, I'll probably forget, but whatever. Mopar, no car, am I right? I'm just kidding, I drive a Chevy. Brakes, hit the brakes, hit the brakes. Okay guys, slow down, we're going way over the speed limit. I'm not comfortable with this racing crap. 56 and a 45, what do you think, this is a racetrack? Keep it legal, folks. Alright, blinker on, turn your signal on so everyone knows you're turning into the gas station. Da, 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 da. I'm following this guy now, he's gonna think I'm following him. Alright, let's go. Doctor Who. Doctor Who's the slowest person around, it's you! Surprise! Oh yeah, emergency stop. Oh, my blinker's still going. Everyone knows that I'm turning into this gas pump. Oh yeah. God, it's hot, but I don't want to take my helmet off because that takes more time, and I'm just a wreck right now. Oh, my wallet's in my backpack. Oh, now everyone can hear me talking to myself, and it's just weird. Oh God, I can't even reach it. No, it's not a debit, you idiot. Oh, I just realized the gas pump's over there, and I can't reach it either. Now I gotta scoot forward. Oh, would I like a receipt? No, not really. Don't even have pockets, bro. Oh, yeah. Get right in there. That's the good stuff. Oh, look at that premium. Supreme, actually. Ooh, hype beast. Hype beast me up, fam. Alright, screw it. I'm getting off the bike. Did you just pop? I know you are not done. You get back in there and you fill up my bike like I paid you to do. Alright, I learned this trick. You gotta turn the nozzle up like that so you don't spill it on your Plastidip. Because if you get gas on Plastidip, it like melts it off. Like almost literally. Oh God, I'm sweating in my helmet. Oh, I burped. That dude's like, what is wrong with this dude? Welcome. Let me just jump over here. Let's start that bad boy up. I've never been so hot in my life, except all the times I've been hotter. My bike is 210 degrees. That's almost as hot as it is in this helmet. Get on, you stupid glove. And for those of you that are like, just lift your visor, I can't. When this GoPro is plugged in, I can't lift my visor. I was working on a little rig to fix that, but I didn't do it because I got distracted or something. Oh, that feels so good. Oh, have air again. Oh, there's traffic. Dude, my face is sweating and it feels so gross. Like I want to wipe it off, but I can't because it's in a helmet. Look here, you crippled loser. If you don't get on. I'm just kidding. I love you. Ah! Is there a cop here today? Nope, no cop here today. Mopar, no car, am I right? Woo-wee. Oh, it feels so good to move. Oh yeah, the wind in my face. Oh, I like it so much. Oh, I can even feel it on my back. It feels so good. I have to get home and shower immediately. Alright, I'm probably going to speed through this next little area, but before that, I'm just going to say goodbye. because this is all I have. Thank you for enjoying this random commentary. That is my life and what goes on in my head. And yeah, I will catch you guys next time. Always remember, if it's hot outside, make sure you wear jeans when you ride your motorcycle anyway, because we are not squids here. We are not trying to risk our lives. We're just trying to have fun. Dress for the fall, not the ride, or whatever the phrase is. I'm just kidding. Do what you want. I'm in blue jeans on the world's lightest jacket. If I fall, it's not going to protect me at all. Anyway, bye guys. Did we really have to slow down under the speed limit? I was having so much fun and you just soiled it. I hate you. That's it. I'm following you home. I'm just kidding. I'm not doing that. Alright, dude. Really? Are we... I hate you so much. I'm turning. No one loves you. Go home to your wife or husband that hates you because you're just a loser. They probably left you for like a dog or something. Oh my god, there was bunnies here earlier, and they've been here like every day, and of course they're not here today. I swear, I was gonna get off the bike and go chase it, but there aren't any bunnies. Oh well. Ah, I'm so distracted. Bye guys!